We now continue with updates around the world. Phương Anh.
Yes, the German military is setting up rapid response teams to counter acute drone threats. German officials have refused to provide detailed information about these units, citing operational security reasons. Germany's defense ministry said late on Thursday it was sending counter-drone experts to Belgium after a request from Brussels. The team was equipped with sensors and mixed combat equipment designed to counter drones. Brussels is currently focusing on addressing the increasing number of drone sightings near military facilities and civilian airports. Now, a record 13 people have died in bear attacks in Japan this year. The situation has forced authorities to raise the alert level and implement unprecedented measures. And more to follow.
A bear holed itself up inside a hot spring inn in Iwate Prefecture, northern Japan on Friday, amid an increasing number of bear attacks in the country that has prompted Japan's military to deploy troops to address the issue. The 1.2-meter male bear stayed there for about 4 hours before it was culled. In September, Japan's National Police Agency has relaxed gun rules to make it easier for hunters to shoot bears in urban areas. This decision will first be applied in the two prefectures of Akita and Iwate, which have recorded the highest number of bear attacks in the country.
The National Police Agency of Japan has decided to dispatch support forces to establish a rifle-based bear control system.
In addition, the police will work with local hunting associations to shoot bears deemed dangerous to residents. Japan has had more than 100 bear attacks since April, with a record 13 people killed. The central government is due to announce a package of emergency measures to deal with the bear problem.
In other news, London's Carnaby Street dazzled as it switched on its annual Christmas lights display on Thursday. The installation in the heart of Soho, a neighborhood popular among tourists to the British capital, is designed to reflect the vibrancy, the color and energy of Carnaby Street and of Soho. The display, themed All Is Bright, was accompanied by fireworks and musical performances and an appearance by British beauty entrepreneur Charlotte Tilbury. Crowds could be seen cheering and singing along with the numerous choir performances. Carnaby Street is famed for its shopping and dining options.